Hi everybody, welcome to this short little session that we have here. I've got a little goodie bag here, or a box, that we've been graciously sponsored by the Nexus Hub, obviously in a partnership with Cricut, and they have sent us this machine. We are going to be one of the ambassadors for the Cricut brand, and I'm super excited to see what's in here. It's going to be amazing. I've got some really cool ideas of what I want to do with this machine, and I can't wait to get started. But before we do any of that, I want to get this boy out of the box, and then we can see what they put inside, because believe it or not, they didn't actually tell us which machine we would be getting. So we had to wait patiently and find out for ourselves, I suppose. Anyway, so I'm going to grab my little trusty tool here for opening the box, and we are going to open this guy, and we're going to see what Cricut has sent us. So I've got some materials that came with the machine, and I've got a really cool idea, or a couple of ideas that I want to do with this machine. I hope the machine is capable of it, but we will adjust depending on what type of machine we got. Because when we were at Comic-Con, we were at the Cricut stand there, and we were looking at a whole bunch of different machines that the Cricut range has, and depending on what machine they gave you, it is such a flexible machine to work with. And I like to dabble in leatherworking, and I know that one of the bigger machines was capable of cutting into thin leather, and I'm super curious to see if this is the machine that they gave us, because that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Even if it wasn't, this is going to be such a cool experience for me as a crafter, because the stuff that I saw that they made at Comic-Con was just, oh guys, it's going to make a large part of my life so convenient. Oh, anyway, let's get back to getting this box open. And in the middle, oh, no, I can't cut straight. Almost. Okay, so let's see what we are working with. Cricut Maker. It's heavy. Okay, let me just get a better grip on this, because it is unexpectedly heavy. I'm getting there. It's okay, guys. It's easy. Oh, got it. Okay. So, what did we get? Oh, it is the big machine. That's amazing, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, such a sleek design, don't you think? Just let me know what you think in the comments. I think the guys who made the overall design of these, they kind of have the feel of a really sleek printer, but this thing is capable of so much more. So much more. Okay, let's open this box. Wait, there's another thing here. Okay. More boxes. There's another box. Small box. We're going to put this to the side for now, and we'll just get this guy out of the big box. Okay. And those are just a bunch of cables, which we'll grab just now. Okay. So, I think a very nice little Cricut sticker here that I don't want to rip it, guys. They packaged it so cleanly. If you get a present at Christmas, and the wrapping is done so beautifully, and you're like, oh, but this is such beautiful wrapping. I don't want to wreck this and you go, okay, open it. Just anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this slides out. I'll turn the machine around just now. Oof, guys, come on. Kudos to the design team who made this. I mean, look at that. That is a thing of beauty, honestly. That is just beautiful. Can't wait. I can't wait. Okay. Before we get into this, let's quickly have a look at this little box that they gave us. Let's see. Material. Let's crack out a bit of German here. Material für Ihr ersten Projekt. I am bad at German, sorry guys. Okay, anyway, let's take this off. What is this? It's a little envelope. That's really nice. See what's in there just now. And what is this? It says, open me first. Okay, I suppose we will open you first. And getting started in 4 steps. Okay. In French and German and Espanol and Italian and Nederland aan de slag in 4 stappen and Portuguese. I don't know why they said open me first. Okay, so it was basically a welcome card, if I'm assuming that correctly. So to get started in 4 steps. Okay, let's look at the next little thing here. It's our little warranty card. Important, very, very important. This looks like a spare part. Not quite sure what it is yet, but we'll get back to that. And at the bottom here, we have a pen. You know, I saw one of the machines using pens like this to draw on some cardboard. I'm wondering if this is one of those where you slot it into the machine and it kind of draws you a pattern. Be interesting to find out. A USB printer cable, and what is this? A rotary blade cap. Oh right, because there's a rotary blade in there, so I'm assuming that if you're not working with it, you know, it's a spare cap to just protect the blade. Interesting. Okay, so let's see what's in this beautiful envelope here. Okay. Guys, it is literally blank paper. I'm assuming that this is a product sample that you can use on the machine just to have a little bit of a idea of how it will cut or how it will print on the material. I'm thinking maybe. Okay, so we have some small supply of product. I'm just going to get rid of this box as well. We have a welcome card and a warranty. I'm bad at this, guys. I should probably have said 4 steps to get started and read on the black. Because, you know, there's actual 4 steps. I didn't see that. I did not see that. Okay, but anyway, 1, unleash this beauty. Yes, it is very shiny. Plug it in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. 2, get connected. Go to Cricut's website and they'll walk you through it. Make a little something. I'm planning on doing quite a bit more than just a little something, but okay. and then bookmark the page. Simple, guys. I don't need that. I'm good. Anyway, so part of this, right, is we also got a bunch of little goodies that we can play with. Now, it's great that they gave us a couple of basic materials for us to get started, but check this out. Okay. Most of the Cricut stuff come in these little containers, which is like a really nice, clean and clear-cut little container, you know. And they come like with a bunch of different things. So this is smart vinyl. I am not sure what I'm going to use it on yet. Maybe one of the other girls has something. And this is permanent vinyl. I'm not quite sure what the difference is between normal vinyl and permanent vinyl, but we'll find out. I'll put that over there. And let's see. I saw these being used at Comic-Con, right? So it's like a whole bunch of tools that they use to lift stickers and that is a funny word for a weeder. Yes, that's what it's called, weeder. You know, the first time they said that, I thought that the weeder was something like a gardening tool. Because it sounds like a gardening tool, right, guys? Just let me know in the comments. That's what it sounds like. It sounds exactly like. And then they do this little picker thing, and they like just picking this thing out, and we're like, okay, I can probably. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know what all that is being used for yet, but we're going to find out. It's going to be awesome. And they gave us a couple of more iron-on. So I know these are used on t-shirts. So you'll cut a pattern out of this and then you'll reverse it and put it on the t-shirt. I saw that much at Comic-Con, so that's pretty useful. Some more iron-on. This is actually a beautiful color. I could probably make something really nice with this. You know, like on a black shirt or a white shirt. I think this will portray quite nicely. We'll find some use for it. We'll find some use for it. What else did we get? Some of these smaller containers. Let's see. Some more iron-on. I'm assuming that the smaller variant of it is for things like smaller articles of clothing, maybe shoes. Well, there's a shoe right there. So I'm not mistaken. And some transfer tape. I have not used transfer tape before, but we'll find out. So next time Nelly is going to be with me, and then we're going to figure out all of this, because this is a lot. And then lastly, they gave us a couple of sheets of cardstock for our, well, technically my idea that I told them. So I'm hoping to create some pretty cool things with this. But I first have to see if what I've got in mind will be able to be done by the Cricut machine. I'm pretty sure it can. I'm pretty sure, because I saw some absolutely incredible things there at Comic-Con. They had this Deadpool that they printed out, and it was like a polygonal thing, but still amazing. Bloody amazing. I loved it. I mean, I was looking at this and it's like, this machine made that? Really? I'm excited. I am excited. So that is what we've got to work with. So we've got some cardstock, we've got some vinyl, we've got some iron-on, we've got whatever the transfer tape is, and we've got our tools, and we've got to get started. So that's it, guys. That's the Cricut machine. So thank you very much for joining me for this very short little video. As soon as we start pumping out some things on the machine, we're going to share it with everybody, so watch our socials. And wait for the next one when Nelly comes in, where we'll bumble our way through our first little steps of Cricut and the amazing things that this machine is capable of. So thanks everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.